Okay guys, just open your settings application, then select general tab. Apple always open general tab, and select iPad storage. Then you can see here your iPad storage details and the list of applications. If you need to uninstall any application, you can do it from here. Just select application. I'm going to select the BGME application. It is a basically it is game, one of the copy of PUBG Mobile, but PUBG Mobile is disabled in India, so it is renamed to Battleground, and it is a particular version of PUBG Mobile. Okay, you can see here there is an option for delete application and offload application. If you click on delete application, it is delete the document and data sets and also the applications. But if you click offload, it is keep the document and the data sets for the future usage, and it is just delete the application. So you can simply install this application from your app store and use your previous data and documents like downloads of your extra downloads. So that's very useful. That's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.